How to enable offload unused apps on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we go down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Then in here, tap on Enable in Offload Unused Apps. So tap on Enable. And that's it. It is now turned on. And here it said automatically offload unused apps. When you're low on storage, your documents and data will be saved. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. You can also access these settings from App Store. So we go down and tap on Apps, then App Store. And if you scroll all the way down, you can tap on Offload Unused Apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.